Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So the first method, you can just open phone application, open the keypad, and enter the secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also the serial number. In the second method, you just have to open settings, go to the system section, then go to the about phone, then you have to go to the status, and here you can find all of these informations. In IMEI information you have your IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and here you have your device serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.